Yo, South Africa is absolutely getting clapped. You know, uh, I'm checking the red card, which is clear red card, the second red card. I cannot wait for it to end. South Africa are losing 2-0. Congratulations to, you know, Mexico. It's a clear red card. Both red cards were clear day and, day and night. You cannot even argue. The first one, the player couldn't do anything. But it's the cleverness of the first of the play. Another thing, it was even before Mexico scored the goal. The commentator said, you know, Mexico are going for the win. South Africa should protect their goal difference, which it's bizarre to me. Like, I feel that is the most disrespectful commentators' words I've ever had. I have had Manchester United 8, Arsenal 2. That also I had it, but the worst commentating thing I've ever had is telling a team 10 minutes into the game, you need to be protecting your goal difference. Come on, commentator, you need to do better than that.